Thank you, everyone. Good to see you today, and I appreciate the opportunity to speak to you. Last time I had a presentation here, I talked about the fact that a lot of our clients are looking into reviewing their, I'm an attorney, by the way, I'm an attorney representing clients in small and medium-sized businesses. And in our practice and in my presentation last week, we talk to clients all the time about looking at their documentation, their internal and external corporate and business documentation. And that now is a really good time to consider looking at those documents and making sure they're up to date, that they resolve issues that you might have down the line, and that they protect you in the business that you're doing both internally and externally. So I want to talk today about the internal documentation. We represent a lot of clients who are reviewing, analyzing, and modifying their shareholder agreements and operating agreements. And what I like to do sometimes is tell a real life story of something that I'm dealing with at the current time that addresses those needs for a particular client. Right now, we are representing a small group that owns a number of real estate brokerage firms in New York. They have been together for 14 years. They haven't looked at or even seen their operating agreements since 14 years ago. And they asked me to look at it because they're starting a new business and they want to protect themselves. A number of these clients, a number of the partners in this company are near retirement. So the considerations that they had 14 years ago when they started this business are different. So what we're looking at right now and what we're addressing in the new document is retirement issues, disability issues, how one partner buys another partner out, what happens if one partner wants to expand the business and others don't. So we take an inventory of that document and the needs of the clients, and we analyze what it is that they should consider doing in order to update those documents so that when they do split apart, when someone wants to retire or one party wants to sell their interest in the business, they'll be able to do it based on an existing agreement that addresses all possible contingencies and helps them understand what they have to do and how they have to do it procedurally and legally so that they can protect all of their interests. I'm Michael Einbinder at Einbinder & Dunn in New York. We represent small and medium-sized businesses, and I'm happy to talk to anybody about the issues that I'm discussing today. Thank you.